So you've let that dough rise for 30 minutes and look what happens. You see, it's gotten a lot bigger, okay? So now that it's puffed up, you can take a knife, and depending on how many pizzas you're gonna make, this dough by itself is too large for any pizza stone, unless you have a giant pizza oven in your house and a giant peel. So you need to divide this up. In our family, we like to make 3 separate pizzas. So, but today I'm gonna make, well, let's make 3 separate pizzas.